Hi everybody and welcome to the personal property tour for number 3, Skinner Steps, Ladyburn Place in Cupar. This is a fantastic 1-bedroom upper apartment. It's got great commuter links. We're nearby at the train station, nearby at Cupar Town Centre.
Hi guys, I hope you're enjoying the personal property tour. Unfortunately this property has now sold. It's sold from our social media channels way before it got to any website. I can't impress on everybody enough how important it is to follow our Facebook pages. So when we do our pre-portal launches and post our videos, you get notification of these properties way before they get to Rightmove, Prime Location and Zoopla and S1 Homes in our website.
Let me take you in on the tour of the property. So as you can see here, we've got an open plan, lounge, living space, kitchen space, dining space. Really could be used for different needs, but it's fantastic open plan living space. We've got our gas hob, got our oven below and integrated appliances throughout, but it really is a great sized room. And with our windows to the rear and our Velux windows up top there, it's letting in a lot of natural light. Let me give you a little look from a different angle. But it really is spacious. Next, let me show you into the bedroom. We've got a double bedroom here. It's carpeted. We've got windows to the front and we've got our Velux window up top. So again, a bright room. Which on a day like today when the sun is shining, it's absolutely fantastic. And in here we have our shower room. So this is lovely, it's presented well. We've got our WC wash hand basin. We've got our shower enclosure, which has got our rainfall shower above as well. And near enough fully tiled, also our tiled flooring, which is great. But there you go. So there you have it. If you are interested in arranging a viewing, please give us a call on 01334 65 42 21 or feel free to message us direct or even email us at info@fiveproperties.co.uk. But more details or a viewing, just get in touch. It's been Erin from Five Properties TV. Bye bye.